Mu Septemba omwaka 2021 akakiiko ka Parliament akebenjigiza n'emizannyo kafumya alipoota nga kasemba eky'okugyawo okusomesa certificate ne diploma mu Busawo ng'enkola eno yali yabangibwawo mu mwaka gwa 1994 olwaleero omubaka Honorable Rokongo Phillips ng'akiikira abantu b'e Napoli West County era nga y'omu ku batula akakiiko kano ayanjulidde Parliament alipoota eno mu lutula lunaku olwaleero nga alipoota eno yagyesigamizziddwa kwongera ku mutindo gw'abasawo kubanga kyali kizuuliddwa nti abali ku munaniro gwa certificate ne diploma omutindo gwabwe gwali wansi ddala.
Many times Ministry of Education comes with directives which are so abrupt that from today onwards this one is not going to happen. Like for example, some time back they came up with a decision that primary teachers should have at least what? Bachelor's degree. When the citizens begin to make noise, that's when they retrieve. Just like the same way this one was also brought. And you wonder whether some of these decisions are subjected to studies before they are brought forward. So why don't we have a very consistent planning? And if there is a situation that requires change, why don't we bring it in a very planned manner?
Alipoota eraze nti wateekeddwa okubaawo omutima gw'ensimbi ezongerwa ku bangulu abo abaali basomedda batukane n'omutindo ogwetaagisa wabula minisita omubeezi w'ebyenjigiriza ebyawaggulu Dr. John Muyingo ategeeza nti kaakati emyaka 3 nga beetegereza ensonga eno era bakola ekisoboka okulaba nga ministry egiggusa n'okussa mu nkola kino.
Of Education and Sports in 2020 stopped the recruitment and of course the training of comprehensive nursing graduates. That's about 4 to almost 3 years. We have looked at the job market needs. We have revised the curriculum to at least the curriculum of midwifery and then nursing so that we address the needs of the job market.
Wabula abako ku badonale ba bedi bwanika owakimanya kabonera basigale tebamatidde nga beebuza amatendekero g'abasawo agameruka buli lukya ate nga nago gasomesa diploma ne certificate.
Happened to the comprehensive nurses? Have you provided a program to retool them? Because you have not stated anything. As long as we know that a lot has gone on, but what happened to those nurses?
Mukwanukula Minisita Muyingo ategeeza nti kakati ensonga eno nayo ekolwako kubanga bakizuula nti certificate ne diploma abasawo babeera bakyabulamu.
We don't have the money to fully implement the scheme of service. I'm happy we are now in the process of budget making. When this matter comes up, please support us so that this scheme is implemented. I agree with my brother that for any decision to be taken, we need to have carried out a study, a comprehensive study indeed, and this is what actually happened. There were a lot of consultations. The employer, Ministry of Health, and many others were consulted, and this is how we came to that decision. And it took us some time.
Mati Sekanjako yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV agaleero.